Okay, today I'm gonna show how we can fix a TV with flickering image, like this one. I know there's a bunch of video on YouTube showing how to do this, so I'm gonna explain it quickly how you can find the faults first. Of course, take it apart, those I don't want to say. First, you disconnect one side of the flex, power it back on, and see how it is. You can see it's still not normal, it's still got lines. So we got the wrong side. We connect it. Connect the other side. It on again. You can see this time it seems to be working now. Okay. I'm going to show how you can. I'm pretty sure if you are watching this video, you already watched other ones. You already know how to fix this. You need to use a piece of tape basically. So I'm gonna show where you should put the tape. There's two connectors in this case, and we need to block this one. But on this connector, it doesn't say anything description. There's nothing on here. So let's look at the other side. Here you can see it says zero. Okay, here this is where you should block basically. So this is these pairs is going to the COB. It's not what you should touch because it's going to the main controller IC. These I am not completely sure. I think it's gamma correct. I'm not really sure what that's for, but yeah, you should block these 0K lines. Just take a piece of tape like this. I'm doing it with one hand, which is not very easy. Okay, I put it on. Connect it back. And that's it. Here's the tape. Turn it back on. Let's see if it works this time. It seems to work. I'll select the input. Here you can see it more clearly. It is not flickering at all. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.